Hi friends, today I have got 20 daily useful sentences you can use every day. Let's get started. If you want to ask where I can buy a SIM card, where can I buy a SIM card? Where can I buy a SIM card? When you need to check if the road is blocked, is the road blocked ahead? Is the road blocked ahead? Suppose you want to know which bus goes to the airport. Which bus goes to the airport? Which bus goes to the airport? If you want to ask where to get a bus pass, where can I get a bus pass? Where can I get a bus pass? In case you need to know if there is a Wi-Fi here, is there Wi-Fi here? Is there Wi-Fi here? If you want to ask where the lost and found counter is, where is the lost and found counter? Where is the lost and found counter? When you need to check if refills are free or refills free or refills free. Suppose you want to find the emergency exit. Where is the emergency exit? Where is the emergency exit? If you want to ask how to reach the railway station, how do I reach the railway station? How do I reach the railway station? In case you need to know if the market is open today, is the market open today? Is the market open today? If you want to ask where the photo coffee shop is, where is the photo coffee shop? Where is the photocopy shop? When you need to check if this train stops at your station, does this train stop at my station? Does this train stop at my station? Suppose you want to know the speed limit here. What's the speed limit here? What's the speed limit here? If you want to ask where the ticket counter is, where is the ticket counter? Where is the ticket counter? In case you need to know if cash is accepted, do you accept cash? Do you accept cash? If you want to ask how far the next petrol station is, how far is the next petrol station? How far is the next petrol station? When you need to check if the lift is working, is the lift working? Is the lift working? Suppose you want to ask where to keep luggage safely. Where can I keep my luggage safely? Where can I keep my luggage safely? If you want to know where the first aid box is kept, where is the first aid box? Where is the first aid box? In case you need to check if there is a restroom nearby, is there a restroom nearby? Is there a restroom nearby? Superb, guys. Now your homework time. Try answering the question on the screen and put your comments below. If you are liking the video, please subscribe and please share to your friends.